Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a trick on how you can lower down an access point from the ceiling in a cheap manner. So in previous videos we've showed you, actually mounts that are built for that purpose. In this video I wanted to show you the cheaper alternative that you can use if you want to lower down an access point to bring it down to take advantage of the omnidirectional integrated antennas. And the trick is to use an electrical box, just like this one here. And the reason why it works is because most AP brackets will come with the proper screw holes at the proper location, so you can actually directly screw an AP bracket onto an electrical box, right? So an electrical box is something you can get for under $5 at the hardware store. And then the way you can actually mount that and drop it down from the ceiling is by either using a threaded rod, as one I have right here, and you can get threaded rod from different heights. You can even cut them at the appropriate length. But what you can also use is actual electrical pipes. So if you want to have a solution where the cable actually goes inside the pipe and is hidden, you can also attach the electrical box at the end of an electrical pipe. So the installation will look like something similar to how they install security cameras in a grocery store, for instance. So you can see a pipe going down from the ceiling, and then you'll have your AP is attached at the bottom, right? So it's a little bit more work because you have to screw the bracket onto the actual electrical box. But once this is done, I can simply take my AP. So here I have a missed access point, and I can just slide it in place. And that's it. Now I have my AP, which can be installed like this, drop down from the ceiling, and it's just gonna look like this from the floor. So it's a very cheap and easy way to, alternative way to make it work in different environments. So let me know if you find this little trick useful. Let me know how you guys like to install your access points if you have to drop it down from the ceiling. We can all share and learn from each other. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.